Like this. This is a $3 tip and it's snowing. This for you? Yeah, here you go. Man! That car tire came right off that. Damn, look at that. I don't even know how you do that. Tire came clean up off of that damn thing. Damn! Good morning, man. Look at all this snow. I wasn't even gonna do no DoorDash, but I woke up and seen all this snow and I was like, you know what? It might be some orders out there. There's gonna be a lot of people who ain't working. So let me go ahead and get out here. We finna go ahead and turn on DoorDash. They didn't reset my acceptance rate, but start sending me trash right away. Wait, so I'm sitting at a 75% right now. We gonna go ahead and turn it on, see what we get first. What is the first order gonna be? $6.50 for 8 miles? That's a no-go. Distance is too far, can't do that. Especially in the snow. $6.50, 8 miles in the snow? No, that's a hard pass. Next order, we got $7 for 6.8 miles. No, sir. Every time I get an order from this Indian spot, it's always a bad order. Every single time. No, I'm not doing that. Look, they don't even want to let me decline the motherfucker. That's what this is what DoorDash considers a high pay order. Right there, you see that? $6 for 2.5 miles. That's a high pay order to DoorDash. That's crazy. I'm gonna accept it because I declined a couple of them and it's such a small distance that and it's a good merchant that I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. But man, that is not no high pay order at all. Like this. This is a $3 tip and it's snowing. This for you? Yeah, here you go. Next order of the day, $3 for 8.9 miles. DoorDash don't give a damn about his drivers. That's ridiculous. $8 for 6.7 miles. 10 items. No, sir. Got Fazoli's and Bed Bath & Beyond. $16 for 6.2 miles. Now that's an order I can accept right there. Man, that last customer was a straight up clown. How you gonna only tip $3 and it's snowing out here and you want your food delivered to you and handed to you? Straight up clown. Like, these are the type of people you do not want to deal with. I'm trying to tell you now. I did accept the order, $6, 2 miles, but nah, man, those the borderline customers. Straight up miserable clown. Get the hell out of here. Got that Bed Bath & Beyond that you gotta drop it off. The order, we got $8.50 for 10 miles. No sirski, that's for the birds. Yep, same old DoorDash. We got $3.25 for 6.8 miles. No sir. I bet they sent me something else right away too. That was 4 trash offers in a row. So, you know, that acceptance rate fiasco trash, that don't mean nothing. Cause I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not doing no trash offers. And look at this one, they want me to come all the way over to Pizza Ranch and then drive it another 4 miles down the road. No, it's not happening. It's snowing, people don't want to tip, that's on them. If they don't want to show me a right offer to take, a right amount to take these offers, well shit, that's on them too. 6.7 miles for $7, nope. I do not care about no acceptance rate. Never did, never will. At $8.75 for 2 miles, it still say a dime, it's still showing diamonds, but I didn't decline myself all the way down to 47%, so I don't even understand that one. But we here now at Hy-Vee. We're gonna go ahead and check in and get this little shopping delivered done real quick. It's actually quite easy too. Order, as soon as I dropped off that order, they sent me this $5.75 for 7.7 miles, and they just turned on a $1 PPA. I can't take that, no sir. I'm still getting diamond orders and I'm below 50%. $9.50 plus for 4 miles. Papa Murphy's, let's get it. It's off for $7 for 3.4 miles. No sir. It's a $1 peak pay, so that's really a $6 order. Ain't no hidden tip on them. Look at that. Still getting diamonds. Acceptance rate is a 30% and I'm still getting diamonds. $12.50, 4 miles, Walgreens. Let's get it done. At $7.50 plus, 3.7 miles. My acceptance rate is 30%. I'm telling you, don't accept every order. Store They sent me an offer, $20 for 12 miles, and I declined it. Then the next offer they sent me was $14.50. It was a stack. The same $20 order with another order, but they dropped the price on it. So I accepted it just to see if they would take some money from that first order. So we at this first drop off now. We gonna see what the total on this. It should be $20 though, but we gonna see. Alrighty, moment of truth. This one should go up to $20. Oh, they played me. This order said $20 at first. They played me. Alrighty, as you can see there, I got a dash time of 2 hours and 31 minutes with a total of $64.46. And on this one, I have a dash time of 1 hour and 7 minutes or $17.50. So totaling, we got 3.5 hours for $80-something, but I also have an additional $7 that I got in half pay because one of the customers ended up canceling on me. So all together total, we made $90 in 3 hours. That's $30 an hour, with just DoorDash too, after the reset. So that's pretty amazing. Had to decline quite a few offers. I'll probably decline 50 offers tonight. Brung me all the way down to a 25%, and guess what? I'm still getting high pay orders, diamond orders, orders that are supposed to be for people with a super high acceptance rate, right? Wrong. Acceptance rate lower than 50%, and I'm still getting them. Cherry pick, be selective, do what works for you. Don't take trash.